Hey guys, welcome back to Lemonhead Garage. Today we're going to be working on the 99 Dyna. We're going to put on some Amazon hard bags that I picked up from Facebook Marketplace a few days ago. We're going to put them on today and see how it turns out. These are the bags I'm going to be installing on the Dyna. Picked them up a few days ago for $45. Retail is $120 on Amazon. Thought it was a great deal, so I had to pick them up. They are matte, they weren't gloss like how the bike is, but I think it still looks sick. I think they're still useful. Wasn't a fan of the bags that came on it, but I loved having the bags. So we're gonna open it up now and see what it looks like underneath. All right, so these are the bags. Right away, there are some scratches. First of all, it is matte. I feel like matte always scratches on whatever it is, unless it's powder coated. But they're pretty solid. I mean, they're not the best material, but I can't expect much more for paying for only $45 for them. The guy also gave me this box. It was all the nuts and bolts that came with it, as well as the brackets. We're gonna try to be putting these on today, and hopefully it comes out clean. So let's see how it goes. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off these fender bolts right here, and then I'm gonna mock these on so I can draw the lines to drill them out. It's too tight in there and I can't get a Sharpie through it, and it's matte, so I figured that a pencil would make a mark. So what I did is I snapped it way smaller so I can just use this to draw a circle. It worked. Now that we've drilled one, my idea is to line them up, open both of the caps, and make a mark so that it's exactly the same. Ideally, this should set it up exactly the same once it's on the bike. I'm gonna cut this and then grind it to make it clear this even when it shock absorbs. So